What's up, y'all? Everything is here. It's been a while since I've talked to you on this channel. I've been creating lots of stuff elsewhere on the internet. My podcast about engineering education is over 50 episodes now. We interview everyone from museum curators to embroidery experts, corporate VPs, Nobel Prize winners. Well, one so far, Nobel Prize winner. Uh, but that is a great time if you're interested in engineering, education, material science, sustainability, then definitely go check that out. Link in the description below. I've also been posting a lot of lecture videos to my official work channel. So if you want to get some formal teaching on math, physics, material science, that sort of stuff, then go have a look there as well. But let's talk about today. This is my for fun channel. This is my personal channel about everything, anything, whatever's interesting, right? And as much as I'd love to do some music stuff today, I currently have a broken arm and I can't quite play yet. So while I grow back my bones, I've been doing a lot of reading, and not just in English, but in other languages too. So that's our topic for today. We are going to be reading a short chapter of a book together, or I'll read it to you. You can read along if you can read ancient Greek. So, this will be The Little Prince in ancient Greek. This is a wonderful story, and The Little Prince has been translated into many languages all over the world. You can read it in whatever language you're learning just about. It's a great story, and it's also at a beginner intermediate level. It's not too complicated in terms of the writing. The concept, some of the philosophy is actually very deep, and that's part of what makes this such a great book. It's written so that a child can read it, but an adult will have always more to think about when engaging with it. So that's enough of that. I will be reading this out loud in a classical Attic pronunciation. So this will be Greek as it would have been spoken in Athens 2,500 years ago. Very different from modern Greek. So let's get to it. We're going to read the first chapter of The Little Prince in Ancient Greek. And if you want more, let me know. I'd be happy to do videos for other chapters. Okay, let's get started. Hexete gegonos idon pote en bibloi tini perites anerene tu hiles, en bibloi hes he epigrape, ale te diegemata en taumaston diagramma ho boa opin terion catabroctis donta edigni, tode esti ecinu tu diagrammatos antigrapon. En te bibloi tode egegrapto, hoi boa opes ten men arpagen holen catabroctisdusin, uda mos de auten mason dai, epitade, uc exon autois kines tai, hex men as cateudusin en hoi catapeptusin. Boliu emautoi periton tucon don en te hyle en tu mesas hoios ten chromaticoi galamoi chromenos to emon pro ton diagramma diagrappin to pro ton emon diagrammaton hoi toionte geneto. Tu toto technikon ergon teleiois tisi anthropois deixas eromen poteron doemon diagramma autus po boie emoide eroton ti apecrinanto ai diati petasos po boiean. Homos de toemon diagramma edignu petason, edignu de boa opin elepanta catapettonta, diegrapsa to tu opeos endon hina hoi teleioi anthropoi tutus uneien, aegar deautoi spanta acribos diegeistai, toemon deuteron diagramma toionde en. Hoi teleioi anthropoimoi parei nesan dautamenta diagrammata boa opeon catalipein, eite aneog menon, eite kekles menon, ton de nun mallon, te geograpiae, cae te historiae, cae toi logismoi, cae te grammaticae prosecein. Tuton hudo secondon eroxemoi hexete gegonoti aristens do grapu diaitan catalipen, tonga remon protu cae deuterog diagrammaton kalos apobanton timesa. Hoimen teleioi anthropoi depote hoioi te siti, au toi synienai, luperotaton de tois paesiastin autis kai autis panta ekenois exegistai. Kun deon me allen teknen asken ematon to aeroskaphe kibernan, emede anta kai enta peribases tes oikumenes petomenon he geografia malista o pellesen, ediunamen garen akari chronoi pros plepsas ten sinan tes arisdones diacrinen, ho cresimotaton tincaneon, allos decae, do tes nyktos apoplanondi. Dia tu emu biu pollacismen pollois pudaiois anthropois homilun, polynde chronon teleiois anthropois synogesas epimelesteron egnoca. Homos de tuto molis ten emen peri auton doxan epitobeltion etrepsen. Epede de etukoimi anthropoi tini hos dokoie moi noetikos enai, hate bulomenos denai poteron ale tos synetos eu tuton ebasanis don men autoi toemon pro ton diagramma de knusho emautoi sesoka, hode tuto petasosestin apecrineto. Epita de perimen boa opeon keti dielegomen, ute perites anereonetu hiles, ute periton asteron, toiutos de genomenos hoios autos en tykanen, on perite de skuleias diegumen, hen te anglike glotte gepyra kalusi, kai perites hes golp kalusi, kai perites politices, kai peritra kelisteron, hode teleios anthropos malista ekairen hate entykon, toiutoi soproni anthropoi. There we go. That was chapter 1. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, this book is only $5 in the US. Absolutely go out and buy it and support the author and show that there are people out there who appreciate those who take the effort to translate literature into classical languages. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, whatever. I'll see you soon.